Today, I'll show you how to change and customize keyboard shortcuts in Filmora. If you're switching from Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, you can even apply their shortcut presets to Filmora, making your workflow seamless. Let's get started. First, open Filmora and go to the File menu at the top. From here, select Keyboard Shortcuts. A dialog box will pop up showing you all the available shortcuts. If you're coming from Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro, you can choose a preset from the drop-down menu and Filmora will instantly apply those familiar shortcuts for you. But if you want to create custom shortcuts, it's super easy. You'll see different categories of shortcuts in the menu. Simply click on the shortcut box next to any action, press the new key combination you want to assign, and then hit OK to save the changes. And that's it. You've now customized your Filmora shortcuts to match your editing style. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Filmora tips.